Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Blackview XPLORE1, waterproof and dustproof IP68 smartphone with the Walkie Talkie VHF and UHF band. You can connect the external antenna to this device and talk on the air. This smartphone has dual screen, this one, and the main screen has size around 6.78 inches. The resolution of the screen 1080 to 2460 pixels. Rear camera has 64 megapixels and 20 megapixels. Front camera 50 megapixels. RAM 12 gigabytes plus 24 gigabytes and ROM memory, in my case, 256 gigabytes. The processor MediaTek 7050, maximum frequency 2.4 gigahertz. PTT button, infrared port, fingerprint scanner, NFC, battery capacity 20,000 milliamps. You can use the smartphone as a power bank. That's really a nice device. Let's test it and see how it works. The smartphone I got in this box. Let's open the box. We can find the huge smartphone, really huge device. You can compare dual band antenna, SMA-female connector. The length of the antenna around 12 centimeters. This antenna works only on 70 centimeters band. Let's see closely. This is 2 meters band, frequencies between 136 to 174. This antenna doesn't work on this band. This is 70 centimeters band. Antenna works pretty good. Power adapter and USB-C cable. User manual and strap. On the right side, two buttons. On the bottom of the device you can find the USB-C port, speaker, SD card port. This is SIM card and SD card slot right here. Additional button, a huge screen on top of the Discover. You can find the antenna port, and you can use dual band antenna compatible to this smartphone and use it. Two cameras, flashlight, additional screen. This is Android device. Let's set up the device. This additional screen is really good. Let's compare the size. iPhone 13. You can see the big difference. 700 grams. The 5G smartphone is also shockproof. Let's check the parameters of this device. Dock OS 5, storage space 256 gigabyte, processor MediaTek RAM. You can change the RAM, additional RAM. This information regarding the camera, battery capacity, screen resolution, version information. This Android 15. Let's test the speaker.
Radio V115. That's really nice radio. Let's test.
I think it works pretty good.
The cable USB-C for charging. Let's open the radio.
It's pretty loud.
The battery BL5C. The capacity
The speaker
of the battery
is
1000
really loud.
milliamps.
Using Walkie Talkie, just run this application, interphone. In this application you can change the frequency and a lot of parameters. Right here you can turn on PTT tone, turn off this tone, change the maximum transmission power, high and low. Let's measure the maximum transmission power. DMR band 446 MHz, 3.8 watts. Let's change the frequency to 433.5 MHz, maximum transmission power, 4.8 watts, around 5 watts. Let's check 2 meters band, maximum transmission power, 145 MHz, 5.0, around 5 watts. That's really nice. Let's measure the low power. 2 meters band, 0.3 watts, 70 centimeters band, 3.0, 2.9, PMR band 146 MHz, around 0.7, 0.6 watts. Can change parameters of each channels, digital communication or analog communication, VHF or UHF band, frequency, color code, channel mode, direct mode, double slot, contact type, group personal all, encryption, relay disconnection, activate, change analog communication, VHF UHF, frequency, wideband or narrowband, squelch, frequency band in VHF 136 to 174 MHz. If you change to the UHF band, it works from 400 to 480 MHz. Let's check some harmonics on 2 meters band. The second harmonic on 291 and on the third harmonic on 435 MHz. The level of the harmonics minus 40 and minus 49. Let's measure the 70 centimeters band. Just press this PTT button. Let's wait the result. On the 868 MHz minus 46. Let's check the sensitivity on 2 meters band. Squelch level minimum, select 0, squelch frequency 145 MHz. Let's reduce the signal level. The sensitivity is pretty good. 70 centimeters band. Minus 120 dBm. Squelch level is minimum. Let's select 0. and reduce the signal. Minus 125, we can hear the signal. The sensitivity is pretty good.
Test analog mode, Blackview XPLORE1, test, audio test, audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, analog mode, close to the microphone, around 50 centimeters from the microphone, around 20 centimeters from the microphone, analog mode. Let's switch to the digital mode, DMR. Digital mode, testing, audio, over. Testing, audio testing, this is speaker test for Blackview XPLORE1, testing, digital mode, testing, audio, over.
Let's activate analog mode, analog channel.
This is analog mode, testing, audio, testing, analog mode, Blackview XPLORE1, testing, audio, over.
The device is pretty good. 20,000 milliamps battery, waterproof, shockproof, Walkie Talkie, 5G, and a lot of interesting functionalities. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.